Hey, it's Layla from Empower English Tutoring. Here is a mistake that I hear a lot of my students make. I'll say something like, I don't like that movie, and they'll say, me too. Me too isn't the correct response here. Let's go over some examples so that you can learn to use to, either, and neither, and other ways to express agreement and disagreement more confidently and accurately. When you agree with someone, you can use a variety of ways to express that agreement.
Dinner was horrible. I hated it.
Yeah, me too.
Go to the museum. I thought it was interesting.
So did I.
Go on vacation.
Me either.
This room is a mess, but I don't want to clean it up.
Me neither.
I don't want to go to work tomorrow.
Neither do I. So you can see that you can use me too, so do or did I, me either, me neither, and neither do I to express agreement with something someone says. Notice that I'll use both pronunciations of neither, neither. In the last two examples, person A says, I don't want to. In the example about vacation, person A says, I cannot wait to go on vacation. If someone says they don't want or like something, or if they can't something, anything with a not, then you can respond with me either, or me neither, or neither do I. You don't want to say me too. Me too is used to express agreement to a positive statement, something without a not in it. So in the example, that dinner was horrible, I hated it, you're expressing agreement with the verb hate. So your answer would be me too, or so did I. If the person had said that dinner was horrible, I could not stand it. Couldn't stand something means you really did not like it, kind of like hate. The word not is in the statement, so you would respond with me either, me neither, or neither did I. Now, it's important to point out that in formal language, people often use me neither instead of neither do I. Neither do I is more formal. Also, you'll hear people use me either and me neither interchangeably at times in an informal setting in some places where English is spoken. A final note, here are some more formal, longer ways to use me either.
I don't understand this.
It doesn't make sense to me either.
I want to go to school.
That idea doesn't sound good to me either. All right, let's try a final challenge. How would you respond or answer this statement? How would you respond to this statement if you agreed with the first speaker? I can't stand this hot weather. It's so annoying. B is the right answer. Me neither. I can't stand this hot weather. It's so annoying. Me neither. How about this one? This place smells so bad. I want to leave. B is the right answer here. Me too. This place smells so bad. I want to leave. Ugh, yeah, me too. All right, take care and see you next time.